Good morning. Last week you guys had John McKenney doing this, and this week you got me. It's sort of like being the next guy following Johnny Carson, but then again, I was a Jay Leno fan. Our first quarter ended right on target. We had a 1.43 recordable incident rate, and we worked about 560,000 man hours. That was a great job, fellas. This week I'd like to talk about the importance of construction site cleanup, housekeeping, or here at McKenney we like to say nothing hits the floor. Everybody knows a clean, organized job site is safer and more productive. We have all worked on job sites that housekeeping is non-existent. And how do you feel when you walk on that job site or that floor? And then when you walk on a job site that's clean and organized, you have a different feeling, and you like to help it keep it that way. A clean, organized job site starts long before your first delivery. Number one, create a logistics plan. Number two, get your area where you're going to store material. Sometimes more is not better. When Kendall did the State Farm job, we delivered what we knew was probably too much duct work on all the floors, and it just created too much material on the floor. And we knew it was probably not the right thing to do. And Kendall, toward the end of the job, came to me and said that he would never do that again, no matter what the superintendent or his project manager or Aubrey wanted to do. It just was not productive, at least for Kendall standards. Number three, get Georgia buggies on the job site. Number four, assign 2 guys to do daily cleanup. It only takes 15 minutes a day to clean and organize every day. And then if you need another guy, get another guy to do it. And stick with your logistics plan. Number 5, keep all your work areas and your walkways clear. Think about it. If you had delivery of ductwork or pipe work on a job and you had 10 guys, you wouldn't just go ahead and hang the duct or hang the pipe. You'd give guys specific plans and specific tasks to do it. Treat your housekeeping the same way. Remember, a clean job site builds and strengthens yours and McKenney's reputation. Whether you're working on a multi-million-dollar job site or just one floor in an office building, treat it the same. Keeping your job site clean and organized should be at the top of your list. This will result and improve your quality and production, and we have the data that proves that. A few easy things to remember. Number 1, make a logistics plan and stick to it. Number 2, assign specific workers to specific tasks for your cleaning and organizing, 15 minutes a day. Keep your work areas clean and clear. Number 4, preach every day, nothing hits the floor. Number 5, if you have a hazard, get it cleaned if you see a hazard, or let your foreman know. And then before you start your work, we usually like to ask a question, can my guys do this safe? What we want you to do is ask a different question. Would I let my daughter or my son do that task or work in those conditions? You might think of it a little bit different. Have a great and safe and productive week.